Good morning, children. Myself, Rajesh Dikruz. I welcome you to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Okay, children. So let's come to the third video of class 6, History, chapter 2, lesson, the earliest society. Today we will have exercise. Exercise A. Answer the questions by choosing the most appropriate alternative from those given below. First, the discovery of fire and the beginning of prehistoric arts took place in the Dice. Options A. Paleolithic age, B. Mesolithic age, C. Neolithic age, D. Bronze age. Answer option A. Paleolithic age. Second, the best evidence yet for oldest life on earth has been found in odd shape, rock-like mounds excavated in Dice. Options A. Africa, B. Asia, C. Australia, D. Antarctica. Answer option C. Australia. Question 3. The transitions from food gatherer to food producer marks the beginning of the Dice. Options A. Neolithic age, B. Paleolithic age, C. Mesolithic age, D. Iron age. Answer option C. Mesolithic age. 4. Bhimbetka is located in the state of Dice. Options A. Odisha, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Sikkim. Answer option C. Madhya Pradesh. 5. What does Mesolithic mean? Options A. Copper age, B. Old Stone age, C. Middle Stone age, D. Bronze age. Answer option C. Middle Stone age. Question C. Early man used dice to print the walls of caves. Options A. Clay, B. Charcoal, C. Cement, D. Lead. Answer option C. Charcoal. Question 7. Small, sharp and refined tools used by early man were called dice. Option A. Arrowheads, B. Bamboo, C. Microliths, D. Megaliths. Answer option C. Microliths. Now fill in the blanks. B. First question. Paleolithic man led a dash life. Answer nomad. 2. The Paleolithic culture which existed in the Deccan is called the Dice. Belan Wiley. 3. Early man used dice to make tools. Answer stone. 4. Dice is a stone which chips easily. Answer flint. 5. Tools with sharp edges on all sides were called hand tools. Children, also answer of each question is also written beside each question. Now come C. Match the following. First, Bhimbetka. Answer option E. Madhya Pradesh. 2. Flint. Answer option C. Small sharp tools. 3. Core tools. Answer option D, hand axe. 4. Anthropoids. Answer option A, man-like animal. 5. Sown culture. Answer option B, Punjab, Pakistan. Children, also answer of the match the following is written under the match the following. Now D, write T for true and F for false. First, the tools used by Paleolithic man were very sophisticated. False. 2. Animals were domesticated in the Mesolithic age. True. Third, primitive man lived in mud houses. False. 4. The discovery of fire was not helpful for early man. False. 5. Early man used water to scare animals. False. 6. Neolithic age is also known as New Stone Age. True. Now, question A. Read the following paragraphs and answer the questions. Question 1. Which Stone Age does the above information refer to? Answer: Mesolithic Age. Question 2. Which crops were grown by early man? Answer: the crops which were grown by early man were wheat, barley, and rice. Question 3. How did cultivation change his life? Answer: cultivation changed his life because he started living in one place, made settlement, and grew foods. F. Answer the question in about 50 to 70 words. First, what were the main characteristics of ape man? Answer: from 1925 onwards, a much more ape-like hominid came to light in Africa. These creatures had brain sizes like apes and large premolar and molar teeth, yet their canine teeth were small and they walked bipedally. They are regarded as hominids. Question 2. What were the various types of tools used during the Paleolithic age? Answer: the various types of tools used during the Paleolithic age were hand tools, core tools, and flint tools. Question 3. What are factory sites? Answer: a site which usually consists of buildings and machinery, or more commonly a complex having several buildings where workers manufacture goods or operates machines processing one product into another. Question 4. Mention two changes that came about in the life of early man during the Mesolithic age. Answer: the two changes that came about in the life of early man during the Mesolithic age were: first, the crude pottery made up of sun-baked clay, and the second, pots were used to store food and water. Question 5. Mention the reason that led to the decline of the Acheulean culture? Answer. According to the scholars, the area in which Acheulean culture lived became dry because of shortage of rainfall. People living in the Acheulean sites would have been forced to move away to look for the another source of water. Okay children, thanks for watching my video. These are the question answers of lesson 2 history. Write the question answers in the HW copy and please keep ready for the corrections when the school reopens. Please, if you like my video, please subscribe it and share it. Thank you very much.